Money. From a university catalog for overseas students. Organizing your financial affairs is not easy, particularly if you have to make a grant last you for the whole term. You are well advised to put your money in a current account in one of the banks. This is the money in the bank which you can take out at any time. The major banks, Midland, National Westminster, Barclays, Lloyd's, and Williams and Glynn's, have 12,000 branches throughout the country, and there is sure to be one near your college. It is far better to have your money near college rather than near home, because you are more likely to be in college during banking hours, which are usually 9:30 to 15:30 with an extension on Thursday, and closed completely on Saturdays and Sundays. The manager will explain exactly what services they can offer. That's his job. You should have a checkbook and ask about credit cards. Read the leaflets for students available in all the major banks. The Midland Bank produces a useful free booklet for students called Student Start. It contains information and advice on many aspects of student life. Details can be obtained from any branch of the Midland. If you need money urgently when the banks are closed, you could go out to Heathrow Airport, where a bank is always open. They also take travelers' checks.